Hi everyone, I'm Debashish and welcome back to Worklyst Educate, where learning is freedom. So, as promised earlier, we're going to start the iOS series from basics to advanced level. We'll go step by step. So, like starting from Suite basics and moving on to building real world apps. So, in today's video, we'll be going to set up your Xcode and do all the setup related things, and even we'll be running a basic Swift program using Playground. So I'll be guiding you throughout this course, throughout this series as well. And let's start without wasting any more time. Yeah, so let's go to App Store. If you have your Mac, just go to App Store and search for Xcode there. You will get the option. Just wait a second, I have some slow internet connection, so it's taking time. So you'll get this Xcode option here. You can see the latest Xcode version is Xcode 16.4. If you are watching it in later point of time, it may have changed. So for me it's showing the like option to update, but for you it will show the option to install if you have not installed it at all. So you can go through it and install it. To install Xcode, you must have it shows here 3.09 GB, but it will require additional space as well, so it will take near around 30 to 40 GB amount of space. So you should have that much amount of space in your Mac. I think you should have that already, so go ahead and install it. It will take a little bit of time, maybe up to 1 hour. So join me after you have installed it. Yeah, okay, so let's go. I think you have already installed Xcode, so I'll just open my Xcode. If you click on it, it will show you here are some of my projects that I've worked on, but you can ignore this. You may not see all these options here. You will see the create new project, clone, get repository, open existing project. These options you can see. So I'll just open. If you click here, you'll go to the new. You'll get option for playground. For now, we'll just start with a playground. Later on we'll go to create new apps. So I'll create this Swift basics playground for now. Then later on, when we have learned few things, we'll go to the building apps. So Swift playground is like a place where you can practice your code for Swift and do like all the coding related things here. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so whatever is there, you can just remove that. Here you can write any Swift code and compile it. So let's just start with a basic thing. In any of the programming languages, what we write, what we start with is the print hello world. So instead of hello world, we'll write hello Swift. Yeah, so I have written this hello Swift. This option you can see it here, this play option. If you play it, it will run your code and it will give you the output. One second, it's running. It's taking a bit of time because I am running this for the first time, so it will take a bit of time. Then it will show me the output. Okay, don't worry if it takes a little bit of time because you are running this for the first time. It might take a little bit of time. At the end, it will show you the output here. Hello Swift. Let's say I'll write my name hello Debashish and I'll run it again. It should show my name as the output. Yeah, so here, congrats, you have run your first Swift program, just a hello world program, as you say in other languages. We have run that. So let's go into a little bit of Swift basic things, just like variables, constants, all these things. So like variables is like a thing for which you can change the value. If let's say I am declaring a variable where Debashish, so my name where name is Debashish, so my name is Debashish, but your name might vary, so that's why I have declared it as a variable. I can change the value of that variable to, let's say someone's name is Asutosh. I can change it. I can change again to say Somya. or whatever, anything I can change that because they are variables. So if I run it here without printing, you can see the output on the right side as well. This is the uh, uh, beauty of playground. You can see first it is Debashish, then Astos, then Soumya. These are the value of this variable name. And opposite to variable we have something called constant, but in Swift we declare them using the let. So let pi equal to 3.14, because we know pi is a constant, its value doesn't change at any constant or anything. So if I try to change the value of pi, let's say I'll write it as 1.0, it should throw me an error. Let's see. It has already given me an error, like cannot assign a value of pi is a let constant. What does it means? It means pi is a constant variable, constant thing, you cannot change its value. If you want to change its value, you have to change the let to var. I mean, I have to make it var if I want to change the value of pi, but pi is a constant, I know, so I'll not change it to let. I'll var, I'll keep it as let. So I hope you understand the difference between var and let. Don't worry if you didn't understand correctly. I will explain it later while explaining variable and constants in building real apps as well. So let's understand a few data types. What are data types? Data types are like int, boolean, all these things. Int, bool, string, just like other programming languages. These are the general data types that are also there in Swift. I should not declare them like this. I'll just comment them out. 1 second. I'll just comment them out. Let's declare 3 variables of 3 different types. I'll declare var is of type int equals to 24. Var, wait, I will explain after I write it. Var is student, bool is true, then var full name, greeting. Okay, so I have declared 3 variables of 3 different data types. You can see I have declared var, this colon sign, then int. Int is the type of this variable, that is int, and it's equal to its value. So here we declare the data type of the value. Similarly here student is a bool and its value is true. Similarly again here greeting is a string, its value is hello world. But what if we don't declare this variable type or data type? Then also it will take it as a string. I mean, Swift has this power, like so it will get to know that you have declared a value as string, so it will keep the data type of this greeting variable as string. Okay, so I can concatenate all these things. Let's say I have to write greeting. I have to print this greeting. I can just print it. It will be printed as a string. Hello world. Concatenation I'll teach you later. So this was the basics of Swift. We'll run through it later while explaining other data types as well. I'll just explain the concatenation part as well here once. Let's say I'll declare a variable var name equals to Debashish. What do you mean by concatenation? Concatenation is like adding different variables or different data types together. So you see, my name is name and I am age years old. So if it is a variable or a constant, I have to make it like this. This should be the format while printing. For normal strings I can put it in double quotes, but for a variable or constant I have to add a slash, then inside brackets I have to keep them. Okay, so it's giving me an error. No worries, I will just remove this thing. It should be solved. Yeah, because I had 2 variables named name, so that's why it gave me the error. Now it's fine. I'll run it. Let's see what will be the output. So the output is my name is Debashish and I am 24 years old. So this is concatenation. Yeah, So I think for this video we have this much. I'll see you in the next video where we'll learn more about data types, and we'll run our first code to run an app. So we'll see you in the next video where you'll be running Xcode to build your first iOS app. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel.